do one simple thing. Listen carefully to every single word. I guarantee 80 to 90% of this topic will be ready in your mind right now. Physics is actually very easy.
Precision and accuracy. Recently, in 2025 federal board exam, this question came as explain precision and accuracy with the help of diagram. Let me repeat this. Recently, in 2025 federal board exam, a question came explain precision and accuracy with the help of diagram. In answer, students had to draw this diagram. In answer of that question, students had to draw this diagram along with some explanation. It's very easy. To understand precision and accuracy, first look at this diagram. If someone understand this diagram, the whole theory will become very easy. If you understand this diagram, this whole theory will become very easy. This diagram is known as bullseye diagram. This diagram is known as bullseye diagram. Bullseye diagram. Where a shooter tries to hit the center, where in this diagram a shooter tries to hit the center with an arrow. I'm not professional hatchery, it's a toy. A shooter tries to hit the center. This is center, this is our target. Tries to hit the center with an arrow. But in case B, when he tries to hit the center, but the arrow goes or lands at some distance from the center over here. In second attempt, again, he tries to hit the center or our actual target. Our actual target is this center. Again, he tries to hit the center, but again, the arrow lands at some distance from the center, but close to the first one. In third attempt, again, he tries to hit the center with an arrow, but again, this arrow lands at some distance from the center, but close to the first two. Close to the first two. Now, these are at some distance from the center, but our actual target, this center is our actual target. This center is our actual target. This is our actual target is the center, but the arrow hits at some distance, but they are close to each other. All of three, they are close to each other. They are not accurate but precise. Look here. Precision means closeness to each other. They are close to each other. So they are precise but not accurate. Accuracy means closeness to the actual target, your actual value. Accuracy means closeness to the actual target. Our actual target is this. They are not close to the actual target, so they are not accurate, but they are precise. Not accurate but precise. Precise but not accurate. They are precise because they are close to each other. Precision means closeness to each other. They are close to each other, so they are precise, but they are not accurate. Accuracy means closeness to the actual target. They are not close to the actual target, so they are not accurate. Precise but not accurate. In case C, again, in case C again, shooter tries to hit the center, but arrow lands over here, here, and the third one lands over here. Now, the arrow lands over here. This is our target. They are close to the actual target, so they are accurate. They are close to the actual target, they are accurate, but they are not precise. They are not close to each other. They are close to the center, but not close to the each other. So they are accurate but not precise. Not precise but accurate. They are accurate. Accuracy means closeness to the actual target. Actual target is center. They are close to the actual target. They are far from the actual target. They are close to the actual target. So they are accurate, but they are not precise because they are not close to each other. They are not precise but accurate. In case C, in case C, shooter tries to hit the center, but the arrow lands here and here, and the third one here. Again, they are not close to the actual target. They are not accurate. They are not close to each other. They are not precise. Neither precise nor accurate. In case D, they are not precise because they are not close to each other. They are not accurate because they are not close to the actual target. Our actual target is the center. Neither precise nor accurate. Now in case A. In case A, again, shooter tries to hit the center, our actual target, and arrow lands close to the center. So they are precise and accurate. They are precise and accurate. They are close to the actual target. They are accurate. They are close to each other. They are precise and accurate. Hope you got the concept. Now, another example with diagram. In target shooting, it's a target shooting. Accuracy is how close arrows land to the bullseye. This is our bullseye or a center. How close they are, actual target or bullseye, they are accurate. Accuracy. Precision is how close the arrows are to each other. How close the arrows are to each other is the accuracy. These are accurate. These are accurate. These are also accurate. They are accurate and precise. Precise but not accurate. Accurate but not precise. Neither precise nor accurate. Precise and accurate. Hope you got this. Now, another example. The actual weight of a person is 160 pounds. And suppose, or let us consider, a person's weight is 160 pounds. But when measured with a device, due to some fault or some error, the device shows the weight of this person 170.1, 169.9 and 170 pounds. They are close to each other. 170.1, 170, 170, 169.9. They are close to each other. They are precise. Close to each other is precise. Close to each other is precision or precise. So they are precise. But they are not close to the actual weight. This 160 pound is the actual weight. So they are not close to the 170 is now close to 160. So they are not close to the actual weight, they are not accurate. They are close to each other, they are precise. Close to each other, precise. Close to the actual weight or actual value. This is the actual value. Close to the actual value is accuracy. Or then they are not close to the actual value, so they are not accurate but precise. Precise means they are close to each other, so they are precise. And scale B, another device. Scale B shows the weight of the same person. The weight of the same person 161, 162 and 158. So they are close to 160. 161, 158 is close to 160 and 162. They are close to the actual weight. So they are accurate. But they are not close to each other. They are close to each other 170, 170.1, 169. They are close, but they are not close 158, 162. Not close to each other, so they are not precise, but close to the actual weight. So these are accurate but not precise. A scale C. A scale C shows the weight of the same person as 159.9, 160 and 161, 60.1. They are close to each other 160, 160.1, 150.9. They are close to each other, so they are precise, and they are also close to the actual weight, so they are accurate. So scale C shows accurate and precise weight of the person. Now precision depends on least count and accuracy depends on percentage error or uncertainty. Let me explain this. Precision depends on least count. What is least count? The minimum value an instrument can measure is known as least count. For example, we have two measuring devices, a scale and a measuring tape. This scale has readings of 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 and 10 centimeter. And this measuring tape has a reading of 1 meter, 1 meter, centimeter and meter, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4, 5, 6 and 7 meters. So the least count of this measuring tape, this scale is, the least count of this scale is 1 centimeter, and the least count of this meter is 1 meter, 1 centimeter and 1 meter. Least count is the smallest value that the instrument can measure. This instrument can measure the smallest value of 1 centimeter, and this can measure the smallest value of 1 meter. Smaller than 1 meter, we can't measure exactly through this measuring tape. We can measure through this scale, but we can't measure through this measuring tape. So now precision depends on the least count. Smallest least count 1 centimeter, smallest close to each other 1, 2, 3, 4 are close to each other. Greater least count, they are far from each other. So close to each other means precise. Closeness to each other means precision. Close to each other is precise. They are close to each other. Smaller least count, close to each other. Smaller least count, higher precision. Greater least count, less precise or no precision, not precise. Hope you got the point. Now the accuracy. Accuracy depends on the percentage error. Accuracy means how close to the actual target. They are not close to the actual target means less accurate. They are not accurate or less accurate. In this diagram, close to the actual target, they are their accuracy, they are more accurate. They are more accurate, less error. Greater error, less error, more accurate. Smaller error, percentage error, greater accuracy. Smaller error, close to the center, small error. They are accurate. Small error, greater accuracy. Large error, very far as compared to this from the center. So more error, less accurate or not accurate. Hope you got the point. Our next topic is uncertainty. I will explain in detail there.